Hey guys, welcome to SmartWeb's basic WordPress site tutorial series. This is video number 1. We're going to go over installing WordPress, downloading WordPress, and getting WordPress onto your domain. Alright, let's begin. So, if you haven't downloaded WordPress yet, you can go to wordpress.org and download it, and you just click right on the front page. It says download WordPress. And over in the right, you can download in a zip file or a tar. And when that's done, you just open that up. And you just drag this whole, open this whole folder. Drag this whole folder to your desktop. And then you can upload the content of the folder to your main root of your website using a FTP program. Now, if you don't know how to use the FTP program, there's plenty of tutorials out there on Google. I'm not going to get into it because there's an easier way to install WordPress, and I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So, when you buy a website, a domain name, www.whatever.com, you need to make sure that you have a hosting server for that domain name that can host the files on it. Now when you get the hosting server, they're going to send you a link to your cPanel with your admin and password. And you're going to go ahead and log into your cPanel, and this is what it should look like, something similar to this. And if you scroll down to the bottom, under software and services, there's a quick install button. Quick install is used to install all different types of programs and all different cool stuff on your website. I'm not going to get into a lot of it. We're just going to focus on WordPress for now. If you want to get a little bit more advanced, I suggest you stay tuned to SmartWeb's advanced tutorials, which will be coming out soon. But what we're going to do over here on the left under blog software, it says WordPress, so go ahead and click that, left click it, and it just says, WordPress is a web software you can use to create a beautiful website or blog. We like to say that WordPress is both free and priceless at the same time. Now this is the current version. Sometimes when you install WordPress from the cPanel, it's not going to be the current version, and you're going to have to update immediately. I'll show you how to do that also. It's not that big, 16 megabytes. When you click continue, it'll pop down a little thing right here. If you're going to be installing it on your domainname.com, you're going to want to install it there. I'm going to install it on, I made a subdomain for my WordPress installation. You can do that too, but I named mine test.smartwebtexas.com. And just fill in the information, your email, the title. We're just going to call this test site, and your first and last name, and click install, and it'll do everything automatically within a couple seconds. Now it's ready. You can access the website, the actual website, what everybody else is going to see when they type in your domain name. Right here is a link, and what I like to do is right click and then open the link in a new tab, and that brings it up so I can copy this password, and remember the username is admin, but copy the password and then tab back over. Now this is what people are going to see when they see your site for the first time, when they're just coming to your site. And it's pretty basic. We haven't done anything to it. We're going to get more advanced, and I'm going to show you how to build a little website using a free theme from WordPress. And everything is really basic in this tutorial series, so don't get a little, if you're getting a little overwhelmed, just pause or rewind and listen to what I'm talking about, and then try it yourself and then continue the video. But yeah, this is the basic WordPress website. To log in, you go down here to the meta and it says login, and click that, and that'll take you to the login page. This is the WordPress basic vanilla login page. Now I'm going to type in that password and Control V to paste that password that we had copied earlier, and then I'm going to click remember me because I don't want to keep entering in the password. Chrome is cool. It likes to ask you if you save your password, so yes, I want to save it. And obviously when we log in the first time, you can see a whole bunch of clutter, welcome, blah blah blah. You can read all this stuff, but none of it's really important. I'll show you everything about everything in the next tutorial series. So thanks for watching this video on how to install WordPress. Check out our second video. We're going to be going over the admin panel, the back end, and I hope to see you there.